Michael Phelps Chili Goat cold tubs are designed to bring home the greatest in cold water therapy. Achieve your potential with cold water that is clean and clear. I'm going to show you just how easy it is to test the water of your cold tub. Testing the water and balancing the chemicals of your Chili Goat cold tub is key if you want to chill like the greatest. Because of the temperature of the water, test strips will not give an accurate result.
Not approved.
We recommend using a liquid test kit to check the pH and chlorine levels of your cold tub. Here's how to use it. Rinse the vials and take a water sample about a foot below the surface. Fill up the tester to the designated line on the vial. Add 4 drops of the pH check solution to the vial. Put on the cap and gently swirl the solution. Compare your color against the ideal range color. Adjust the pH depending on the result. Remember to add chemicals 1 teaspoon at a time. After 15 minutes, repeat the testing process and check the chlorine. Add 4 drops of the chlorine check solution to the vial. Cap, swirl, and compare. If your chlorine level is low, add sanitize to balance. Let's say it again, 1 teaspoon at a time. Be sure to wait 15 minutes before retesting. Great job. You've successfully balanced the chemicals in your Michael Phelps Chili Goat cold tub. And that's all there is to it. Go to chiligoattubs.com to purchase your chemical kit and other accessories to make caring for your cold tub even easier. There, you can also find additional resources and your owner's manual. Until next time, keep it cool.